G'day people, how you going today? And today I'd like to discuss the word that Australians use for when you have a crash in your car. And this word is called bingle, B-I-N-G-L-E, and it describes when you crash your car or someone crashes into you. You've had a bingle. Now this is a very common word that we use for crashes in Australia, and it's not only used for cars. It's if you're riding a push bike and you, run into something, you've had a bingle. So you can use it as that way, but we cannot use it for if you're falling over, or if like a building partially falls down. That's not a bingle. So in this picture that I'll show you, the car has had a bingle, and it's probably not that bad, but it can actually be worse, and in some bingles people actually die. So when you're driving, please be careful. So anyway, we do not know where this word comes from, or at least I have not found anything in my brief search of the internet, but we just use it for crash. So maybe in the past it had something to do with an accident or bingle. No, nothing else comes to mind except for Kringle, the beautiful chips. So when you come to Australia and you've had an accident, use bingle, because people know that you have had an accident. Have a beautiful day, mate.